Hey guys, my name is Isabelle Yoo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys, I'm actually hurting so bad right now. It was so hard for me to get ready and work today because I started my period and I'm cramping so bad. But tonight I really wanted to film a little unboxing of some of the things that I've picked up recently and some things that brand sent me. So I decided to film my night, and also we're going to a very special birthday dinner slash Galentine's with my girlfriends in Vegas. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Let's get to this haul. I'm really excited to show you guys, and then I'll finish getting ready, put on my little dress to go out and just have a good night with the girls. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, this is honestly already making me feel so much better. Look at this. It's a matcha plushie. I've seen this all over TikTok and I went to like 3 different Targets to find this little matcha plushie. I really want to put this on my matcha stand here in Vegas. Yay, I'm so excited. It's from the brand Galentine'S and it was only $5. And honestly, I don't know why Target does this, but in order to like order from their app, you need to spend I think like $25 or $30. So I just got a bunch of candy to go with my matcha. I got these nerd gummy clusters. I think these are new, but yeah, these are limited time nerd gummy clusters in Berry Punch Rush. These look so yummy. And then these ones are the Valentine's Day special nerd gummy clusters in the shade, not shade, what am I even saying right now? My brain is not on, in the flavor Valentine. And then these are just sour gummy worms. These are, what are these? Oh, peach rings. I love peach rings so much. And then of course my favorite, I guess I just wanted gummy bears, so I got a bunch of candy to place an order off of the Target app in order to get my little matcha plushie. Wait, this is already making my day so much better. Let's keep opening. You guys, Target was having so many like after Christmas deals. Look at how cute this gingerbread. I'm not even cramping anymore. I don't know what I was talking about earlier. I feel great. I am so happy right now with all of my little stuffies and plushies. It's just a really cute gingerbread house. It looks like this on the back. I'm just so excited to use this and put this on my couch for next Christmas season. So adorable. And then last but not least, from Target, I just needed some extra dryer sheets. This is so random, but I love this one from Bounce. They honestly just make my clothes smell so yummy and so fresh. So I got a huge box of these. Literally comes with 240 sheets. The next package is from the brand Ballerina Farm. I honestly forget what they were going to send me. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's literally stacked to the brim. This is a 100% real fruit organic coconut water raspberry lemonade. Wait, that actually sounds so yummy. I think it's just like powder and then you scoop some of it and put it into a water and it's like a little electrolyte drink. They also sent me this huge Ballerina Farmer protein. 12 single serve packets, 4 vanilla bean, 4 maple cinnamon, and 4 creamy chocolates. I think these are all like individually packaged protein. Wait, I'm honestly so excited to try this, especially the vanilla bean flavor. I just love anything that's vanilla bean, and I'll definitely let you guys know what I think. Oh my gosh, wait, this is honestly so sweet. They wrote me a handwritten letter. It says, "Thank you, Isabelle. We love your content and hope you love some Ballerina Farm goods. Happy New Year, BF team." That is so sweet. Oh my gosh, thank you so much to the BF team. And that's not all. They literally sent me another Farmer protein. This one is all maple cinnamon, and I think it's just the powder form, not the packet one. So I'm really excited to try all of this. Thank you so much, Ballerina Farm. This protein powder is literally gonna last me like the whole rest of the year. Wait, this is actually so funny. My work had a Secret Santa, and one of my coworkers who had me got me like a neck pillow, but then I was like, oh, I already have a neck pillow. So my manager let me just pick out anything from the Amazon website, and I decided to pick this out. And you guys, I'm in the process of creating a very cute little bar cart here in Vegas. So to match that, I got these little bar cart towels. These look so cute. They're just bar cart towels in a little green and pink martini glass. And then this one is obviously an espresso martini. I'm honestly not the biggest coffee drinker, but I love espresso martinis, and it even has the beans and the pink bow So these bar cart towels are gonna be so cute, and I can't wait to decorate my little cart and show you guys what it looks like. Wow, they really packaged this very well. Look at how sturdy and protective it is inside. Dun, da, da, da. I made this custom for me and my family, and I'm so excited to show you guys. It's 3D, and I don't think I've owned anything that's 3D. It's from the brand xoxo. They reached out to me and they were like, do you want to 3D customize something? And I was like, say less. It's so cute. Look at how they bubble wrapped it. But you have to put your hands in the camera so they can see you opening it. It's Milo. Oh, it's Milo with his little tongue. Isn't it so cute? They 3D printed this. Literally all I did was just send them a picture of what I wanted, or like Milo's face, and they literally made this. It's so cute. I'm gonna put it on my desk or like on my nightstand. Milo, come here. Milo, you want this? Come here. Come here. It's such good material too. It's like not flimsy. His tongue's sticking out. Oh my gosh, with his little tail. I'm actually obsessed. Milo, come here. Up. Look at the resemblance. Milo, what's this? Oh, he likes it. He likes it for sure. Thank you so much to xoxo and Ballerina Farms for sending me all this. This is so sweet, and I can't wait to drink all my protein and put this on my little nightstand. Okay, honestly, that haul went super long, way longer than I had expected. So I'm gonna finish getting ready, put on my cute little dress, and then head on over to pick up Joelle. We got this really cute cake for Ivy for her birthday, which I feel like she's gonna absolutely love. And yeah, I'll see you guys once we're at dinner. Oh wait, actually, let me show you guys my outfit. Okay, here is the little white dress that I'm wearing for our Galentine's / Ivy's birthday dinner. We're going to Cassie Beach House, and it's honestly one of our favorite restaurants to eat at because one, it's calmed, two, the food is absolutely amazing, the service is great, and it's always just a fun time. I just paired it with my blue little Dior. I feel like I've been wearing this bag so much recently, and yeah, I'm honestly obsessed with my new haircut that I got done in Thailand. I was kind of scared that it wasn't going to pan out the way that my inspo pic looked like, because I definitely wanted highlights and a little bit ashy, but I'm really glad that I listened to my friends and went warm. Oh my. I can't speak. Leave me alone. And for my perfume and lotion, I'm just wearing the Miss Dior little perfume. This one smells so delicious and so yummy. I honestly feel like I've had this bottle for forever. It's lasted me so long. And then also for perfume, I'm just wearing the Black Opium. It seriously smells so good, and I'm definitely running a little bit late now, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this. I'm not ending this video. This video is just getting started. Let's grab all the things that I need and head on over to Joelle. Got a cake.
Happy birthday, Ivy.
Thanks, Joelle, for picking it up. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my god, the camera is so blurry. Just says happy 26th birthday. Yeah, that's better. Happy 26th birthday, Ivy. Of course it's blue. I feel like we're gonna get her a blue cake every single year. Happy birthday!
It's more like Galentine's. Oh, it's cute. That's why you told me this one was better.
Yeah, because I didn't want you to wear red with the blue cake. I'm like, we're gonna get you a blue cake every year, so you better match. Yay, everything looks so good. Oh my gosh. My mouth is watering. Okay, go. Happy birthday, bitch! Chug, chug, chug. Ready? Yes, ready. Okay, hand model. Wait, are we gonna sing? She said no. Okay, we're singing. We're singing. We're singing. Happy birthday to you. She's so embarrassed. Ivy, Ivy, Ivy. Did you make a wish? She's like, I wish all of y'all would stop singing happy birthday. Babe, you're literally pushing like 30. Oh yeah, you look really young. Focus camera. here. We need to go fast though because we have too many people. That's why. And then, oh, Joelle got cut off. Okay, maybe yeah, let's do partners. Partners.
I like the partners. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, that was so good.
Guys, that was so good. That was the one. That was the one. Wait, guys, this is really cute. We're so happy. Update you guys, it's a couple days later. I literally think it's almost a week later. It's currently Friday, February 20th at 10:43 p.m. And I finished getting ready, put on this really cute dress from White Fox. I'm just wearing this brown long sleeve. It's freaking freezing here in Vegas in like the 40-degree weather, which is absolutely insane. No one's wearing jackets tonight. We're all just gonna bust out to XS to see Griffin in dresses and heels. I'm just wearing this little mini dress, like I said, from White Fox with some black little heels from Sam Edelman that I wear literally all the time. My same little rings that my mom gave me, just this pearl one, these diamond ones, and then obviously my friendship Dior bracelets and my watch that my mom gifted me. For my purse, I have this black Chanel bag, and I'm really excited to see all the girls. We're celebrating a little secret party. I don't want to like air out her business without asking for her permission, so I'm not going to tell you guys what we're celebrating for, but it's just going to be like an inside little secret. That's why we're going out. Like I said, we're going to XS to go see Griffin tonight. He's honestly, I think, my favorite DJ, and his new song literally just dropped tonight, so I'm so excited to go see him play at XS, and hopefully, maybe, fingers crossed. No, Alexa, not right now. But anyways, fingers crossed he brings...
I'm not sure how to help you with that.
Not you, Alexa, please be quiet. But like I was saying, fingers crossed he might bring out Kygo. We're gonna stop by XS to see Griffin play his new song, and then we're gonna stop by Zed because my friend has a table there and he invited us, and it's just gonna be a little princesses reunion. If you know, you know. Okay, I don't remember if this flavor is even good, but I have this watermelon one in my fridge, so I'm gonna bring that one to our little pregame. We're all gonna go over to Ivy's and just have the best girls night celebrating our little secret party. Maybe she'll tell you guys. Everyone had more fun at Zed because it was indoors and everybody was so cold. But now we are going to Jay's karaoke to sing our... Oh, I see his car! I see his car! Let's go, let's go. Thanks, Tommy. Thank you. Oh my god, this shot is so fast. We said small. I know, we said small.
know. I know they think I'm BSing.
You guys, oh my gosh, I'm finally home. It's currently, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 5:10 a.m.
It's currently 5:10 a.m. Oh my gosh, I literally have to wake up in a couple hours to make my flight back to LA, but I'm so tired. I have to finish packing, do the dishes because there's so much in the dishwasher. But this vlog was so much fun. I honestly love spending time in Vegas and coming back to my place, but I have a lot of upcoming fun plans in LA, so I will see you guys once I'm back in California. Bye.